easy. Busy hai easy presents NCERT Solution for class 12th. Today we'll be discussing chapter 1, that is reproduction in organisms. So, what are we doing here today? We are going to discuss two things. One, how you're supposed to write an answer. And two, what is there in the specific answer. Understanding what an answer is all about. Okay, so let's have a look for question 1. Question 1 goes like, why is reproduction essential for an organism? Why is it essential? Or what is reproduction? Reproduction means to reproduce. Okay, so let's have a look. Reproduction is essential for an organism because it enables the continuity of species generation after generation. You are supposed to focus on the word continuity of species generation after generation. So here, continuity of species generation after generation is the essence of the question. Okay? Or you can write this answer as reproduction is one of the important characteristics to sustain life as it continues progeny. Okay? Let's repeat. Reproduction is one of the important characteristics to sustain life as it continues progeny. Progeny is again another word for generation after generation. Now, remember that this is an organism. Okay? It reproduces. So it gives rise to two similar organisms. This here becomes parent and these organisms become offspring. Offspring or daughters, daughter generation. So this becomes generation 1. Now when these reproduces again, it gives rise to similar organisms and these organism becomes generation 2. So because of reproduction, the essence of an organism or the characteristics of a specific organism is carried down for one generation to another generation. Is that clear?